Hello lovely people, welcome back to the Tinamis. Today is my stepmother's birthday, so I'm in the celebration mood. I guess you are wondering who my stepmother is. Ta-da! Today is Canada Day, 1st July, and this is my first time experiencing Canada Day. Unfortunately, I didn't leave the house early enough, so I missed most of the activities, but it is still ongoing, so come with me and let's see the activities that we can catch before the day ends. I left my microphone at home, so my sound is going to be very terrible because the place is extremely noisy. So just assume you are watching an action movie. You hear a lot of bushia fun is it's all part of the fun. So let's go.
Guys, so as I mentioned earlier, today is Canada Day, which is Canada's birthday, and it is filled with a lot of activities. Initially, I was thinking it was going to look like Ghana's Independence Day, but this is given more of fanfare vibes. One thing that I noticed is that these people really rep their colors. There's red and white everywhere. There are a lot of Canada souvenirs, Canada shirts, Canada hats. Like, it's all over the place and it's beautiful. Another thing that I noticed is that this event really caters for kids. There are bouncing castle and a lot of other fun activities for the kids. There are also a lot of food trucks with very long queues. We always complain when we are going to buy wachi and the queue is long. But look at this. This is a queue for Montreal's #1 food called Poutine. And I had to join in.
I finally got the #1 food in Montreal called Poutine, and it's with smoked meat. I'm so curious about it because I'm hearing a lot about Poutine. So, as part of the Canada Day celebration, I decided to try Poutine, see what it tastes like. So, let me try it and tell you. Since you can't eat it, let me try it and tell you whether it meets my expectations or not. So it's actually fries with some cheese and there's meat. Especially with the smoked meat. It tastes like pumpkin. So guys, when you come to Montreal, come and try the signature meal. Hey, now where's your heading? I don't know what this is. It looks like pickles. Is it to garnish the food or it is part of the food? It's pickles. I think I'll eat the food without this because this is too sad. But overall, I think I like the tea. It's very tasty. Yeah, I think it's worth the hype. So, cheers. Happy Canada Day.
In the chaos of the city streets, where worries weigh heavy and hearts retreat, there's a melody that
Guys, can you believe it's almost 9 p.m.? It's 8:44 p.m. and look at how bright the day is. I'm alive.
This event really drags into the night because it is almost 10 p.m. and people are having so much fun, including kids. Under normal circumstances, these children should be asleep because tomorrow is a school day, but they are here dancing and having the fun of their lives. If you've been watching my videos, you would have noticed by now that Montrealers really like musical concerts. There's a musical concert for almost every event. Anyway, now it's fireworks time. That is the main reason why I came here tonight. So stay tuned and enjoy with me.
Lost in the haze, my heart ablaze, chasing dreams, caught in a daze, broken promises, shattered face. But I keep pushing with hope that stays, dancing through the night, feeling so alive. Heartbeats like drums, we're gonna survive, no looking back, gotta keep the drive. With every breath we'll strive and thrive. And thrive. Oh, oh. This is my heart's melody, singing loud, setting me free. Through the highs and lows you'll see, in this symphony we'll forever be. We'll forever be. This is my heart's melody, singing loud, setting me free. Through the highs and lows you'll see, in this symphony we'll forever be. We'll forever be. Beautiful things, they surround us. In every moment they astound us. In the simple joys, in the love that clings, we find the beauty that life brings. In the eyes of someone who's seen it all, there's a wisdom that won't let us fall. In the kindness of a stranger's hand, we find the strength to understand. Through the storms and the darkest nights, there's a hope that forever ignites. And the stars that guide us through the fights.
Hi guys, so we are done with today's activities and the road is filled with a lot of people and cars. So many people. I really loved the fireworks. I looked forward to it so much because there was supposed to be an initial fireworks during the New Year's Eve and it was cancelled. So I'm happy that I got to experience this one for Canada Day. And it was worth every bit of it. It's almost 11 p.m. and I have to go home to sleep. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for sticking with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Share your comments and like. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Lost in the haze, my heart ablaze, chasing dreams, caught in a daze, broken promises, shattered face, but I keep pushing.